Tremendous comfort is just beyond the horizon. Bring the Horizon two-piece sectional sofa to your home and enjoy transitional style that will blend seamlessly with various room styles. 8 included coordinating throw pillows extend the style and comfort of this great sectional sofa. If you're looking for a grand sectional to upgrade your living room furniture, the Horizon Sectional will surely satisfy. This sofa is wrapped in a soft Plushtone Linen 100% polyester fabric for easy cleaning. The flared arms sitting on dark-stained square tapered legs lend to the transitional styling. Seat and back cushions are reversible for extended wear. When you're ready to take a seat and relax, this sectional will embrace you in plush comfort. There's room enough for up to 6, making this collection roomy enough for the whole family. If you're looking for a transitional style sectional sofa to upgrade your living room furniture, the Sofamaster Horizon Sectional Sofa is a great choice. This sectional offers plenty of room with its 189-inch width, 86-inch depth, and 36 inches in height. You'll find exceptional value in every piece of Sofamaster furniture, quality built using only the highest quality components throughout.